guys, it's Christina and
Malia.
and we're gonna take you inside the Tokyo, Japan Ikea. The IKEA layout here in Tokyo is basically the exact same layout that you'd see in the States. The only difference that you would notice is that the prices are in yen versus dollars. This is a layout of a master bedroom in a Japanese home. And as you can see, there's two different beds. So it's very common in a Japanese home for elderly couples to have two separate beds versus one big, large, like king-size bed. So this is my favorite part of IKEA, the food area. We are gonna get lunch here and let's see how much it costs. All right, let's see what's out on the showroom at IKEA. Woo!
So you're pretty far away. Come in closer so you can see the map. Right. We are. I don't know where we're at, but we'll find our stuff. Let's go.